You don't do like a kid.
God damn.